Hello guys! Welcome to the chapter Pinterest Profile Optimization. In this lesson, we're going to talk about adding keywords in your profile name. Let's get started. Keywords are important on Pinterest. If you're using Pinterest to increase brand awareness and you want people to discover your brand and your content, then you must also include the right keywords in your profile name. Your profile name is another part of your Pinterest account where you can optimize your profile with the right keywords, making your brand searchable on the platform. You need to tell Pinterest that your account name is related to the keywords that people in your niche are searching for. You may notice that when you search for keyword phrases on Pinterest's search text box, Pinterest shows you recommended accounts with that specific keyword or keyword phrases included in their name. Now you see that keywords are also important to be added in your profile name. To add keywords in your profile name, access your Pinterest business account. Go to the Settings menu, then click the Edit Profile. In the Display Name field, type in your business profile name and add the keywords that are relevant to your niche. You can separate keyword phrases using this character, the long line symbol, or a plus icon, or any symbol that will clearly separate your keywords in your profile. Doing this will increase your chances of getting discovered by people who are typing in keywords that match the keywords in your account name. So ask yourself, what keywords do you have to include after your business name to help your brand get discovered on Pinterest? I have shown you sample profiles on Pinterest having multiple keywords or keyword phrases added to their Pinterest profile name. So how do they choose the keywords they add in their account name? First, you can use Pinterest search engine to look for inspiration. You can make use of the Pinterest search engine to look for keywords that Pinterest would recommend you to add to the keywords that you have typed in. The more keywords you type in, the more additional long-tail keywords it will recommend you. You can take note of those recommended keywords and save them on your notepad, so you will have a list of keywords that you can choose from and decide what keyword you can use. Also, Pinterest may recommend account names with the words that use that keyword you have typed in. You can click on the All account named including your keyword. So explore those business names. Look at how they add keywords in their account names, so you can have an idea of what you can add to your profile name. You can take a look at some business profiles with added keywords in their profile name. You can take a look at these business profiles and see how they constructed the added keywords in their profile name. Next, use keyword phrases regarding what services or products your business offers. You may notice that most of the keywords that some of the optimized profile accounts include after their profile names are what people expect them to share on their profile. It can be a brief description of what their business do and offer. Let's take a look at a few examples. For people who have blogs, let's search for the keyword blogging. And you can see that Pinterest recommends a list of additional keywords that we can add to our search. Let's choose blogging for money. Here are the pins that rank high on the keywords blogging for money. Let's click a pin. Take a look at the account name. This user added the keyword phrases work from home jobs, money from home legit, and for mom. The keywords that this blogger added to her account name are phrases that people who are interested in learning how to make money use. Their niche-specific keywords is all about making money from home. It even shows their specific target audience, which are the moms who are always at home. If you take a look at the profile names of the top-ranked pins, they all have added keywords to their profile name. For accounts that focus on recipes, let's type in healthy recipes. From these top-ranked pins, we can see that their account names also included keywords or blog titles that people who want to lose weight would be interested in. Taking a look at this account name, you can easily determine what type of content and niche any Pinterest user can discover from browsing their profile, which are recipes that are easy to prepare. Some entrepreneurs overlook adding keywords in their profile. It is important to include additional keyword phrases in your profile name. This can help your target audience discover your brand more as they search those keywords that you have added in your account name. Now that you know about adding keywords in your profile name, we can now proceed to the next topic, crafting your bio properly. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.